रेडियो खांची 90.4 एफएम पर प्रसारित किए जाने वाले विषय वस्तु का सारा क्रेडिट प्रस्तुतकर्ता को दिया जाता है। हमारा मकसद है समाज में ज्ञान एवं सकारात्मकता को आगे बढ़ाना।
रेडियो खांची 90.4 एफएम हम सबका रेडियो पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आई एम एसकेएल दास। आई एम अ फैकल्टी ऑफ CPPS in Ranchi University. Today I am going to discuss profit and loss. This is my fourth lecture, and in this lecture I will discuss the topic when two articles are sold for rupees P and there is a loss of X% on first and profit of X% on other. This lecture is beneficial for all the CPPS students and for all those students who are preparing for competitive exams. Students, in this session, I will discuss first of all, I will discuss the basic concept of the question. That means how to solve the questions in a lengthy way or theoretically. And then I will give you alternate method, that is short tricks to solve the questions within second in examination hall. Students, my first question is, a man sells two chairs at rupees 120 each and by doing so gains rupees 25% on one chair and losses 25% on the other. His loss on the whole is, your option is 20, 16, 25 and 30. As we know that in a question SP of each chair is given, so total SP equal to selling price equal to 120 plus 120 equal to 240 होगा. Students, we know that in the given first line, the selling price of two chair is 120, so total selling price will be 240. And from the second line of the question, we can conclude that on the first chair, we get 25% profit and on the second chair, we get 25% loss. So the SP of first chair will be the CP of first chair will be 120 into 100 by 125. How will you find out this equation? So we know that we get 25% profit on the first chair. That means the selling price will be 125% of CP. So 125% of CP equal to 120. That means CP equal to 120 into 100 by 125, and after solving this we get rupees 96. So the CP of first chair is rupees 96, and in the same way we can find out the CP of second chair. That means the CP of second chair will be 120 into 100 by 75. You can find it that on second chair the losses is 25%. So the selling price will be 75% of CP. That means 75% of CP equal to rupees 120. That means CP equal to 120 by 75 into 100. After solving this, we will get CP of second chair, that is rupees 160. So in this way, we can find out the CP of both chair. The CP of first chair is rupees 96 and the CP of second chair is rupees 160. Total CP equal to rupees 160 plus 96 equal to rupees 256. So we know that the total selling price is rupees 240 and the total cost price equal to rupees 256. So cost price is greater than the selling price, that means there is a loss. So loss in price equal to rupees 256, that means CP minus SP, rupees 256 minus rupees 240, that is equal to 16. So his loss on the whole transaction is rupees 16. So rupees 16 is right answer. Students, there is an alternate method also. And by using this trick, you can find out the answer within time. We know that if the selling price of two articles are same, students, listen this trick carefully. If the selling price of two articles are same and one of them is sold at a profit of R% and another is sold at a loss of R%, then there is always a loss of R square by 100%. Students, the most important thing is if the selling price of two articles are same, that means SP agar same hoga, if the selling price of two articles will be same, then it works. Students, the trick is R square by 100%. So here R equal to 25%. R equal to 25% in both case. So loss percent equal to 25 into 25 by 100, and after simplifying this we get 6.25%. So loss percent equal to 6.25%. And we know that if loss is 6.25% on whole transaction, then the selling price will be 100 minus 6.25%, that means 93.75%. So 93.75% of CP equal to 240. That means the CP equal to rupees 256. After solving this, CP equal to 240 by 93.75 into 100, you will get rupees 256. So CP equal to rupees 256, and the SP selling price of two articles is same, so 120 plus 120 240. So we can find out loss equal to CP minus SP. 256 minus 240, rupees 16 is right answer. Students, I am giving you again a same question which is already asked in SSC CGL exam, and by using this trick definitely you will be able to find out the question within 30 seconds. Question is, a dealer sold two types of goods for rupees 10,000 each. One of them the loss of 20% and on the other he gained 20%. His gain or loss percent in the entire transaction is. So we know that if SP is same, hence there is always a loss, that is R square by 100%. So here R equal to 20%, so loss percent equal to 20 into 20 by 100, and after solving 20 into 20, 400 by 100, 4% is your answer. So students, this is the most important and logical trick applied only when if selling price of two article is given same. So you can find out after using this trick your answer within 30 seconds. And another type of question is, a cloth merchant sold half of his cloth at 40% profit, half of the remaining at 40% loss, and the rest was sold at the cost price. In the total transaction, his gain or loss will be, and the given option is 20% gain, 20% loss, 10% gain, 15% loss. Students, if we suppose that, let us suppose that the merchant bought 100 meter of cloth for rupees 100, then the total SP will be, then 40% profit on the first half of the cloth. If we will divide 100 into half, that will be equal to 50. So on first part we will get 40% profit, that means selling price will be 140% of 50, and half of the remaining will be means half of the 50, that means 25. So on half of the remaining you will get 40% loss. 40% loss means the selling price will be 60% of the 25, and rest was sold at the cost price, and the rest will be equal to 25. So the total selling price will be 140% of 50 plus 60% of 25 plus 25. That means 50 into 140 by 100 plus 25 into 60 by 100 plus 25. After solving 50 into 140 by 100, you will get 70. 25 into 60 by 100, you will get 15 plus 25. That means 70 plus 15 plus 25 equal to rupees 110. That means you will get the SP 110 and your supposed cost price is rupees 100. So selling price is greater than cost price. That means there is a gain, and gain equal to SP minus CP. That means 110 minus 100, that is equal to 10. So students, you will get a profit of rupees 10 on 100. That means your gain percent equal to profit by CP into 100. That means 10 by 100 into 100, that is equal to 10%. So your final answer is 10% gain. Students, this is the most important or easy techniques. Using this, you can solve the questions very easily. And another example I am giving you, and by using this trick, you can definitely solve within time. The same example is a cloth merchant sold half of the cloth at 20% profit, half of the remaining cloth at 20% loss, and the rest was sold at his cost price. In the total transaction, his gain or loss will be. This question is already asked in SSC Sub-Inspector exam in 2010. The given option is 5% profit, neither loss nor gain, 5% loss and 10% profit. The students, let us suppose the CP will be rupees 100 and find out the total SP. Total SP will be 120% of 50, 80% of 25 and the remaining 25. So when you will solve 120% of 50, that is equal to 60, 80% of 25, that is equal to 20 and 25. After adding 60 plus 20 plus 25, you will get 105. So total SP selling price equal to 105, total cost price equal to rupees 100. So SP is greater than CP, that means there is a gain, and gain equal to 105 minus 105 minus 100 equal to rupees 5. So you will get rupees 5 profit on rupees 100. That means profit percent yani gain percent equal to 5 by 100 into 100, and that is equal to 5%. So the final answer is 5% profit. Students, in this session I will give you the tricks and techniques of two different types of questions, which is very useful for all the competitive exams, and almost in each and every exam you will get these types of questions. So keep practice regularly on these types of questions. If you will get any dot in these types of questions, then you can tell us in comment box or using your WhatsApp group. Students, thank you very much for listening this audio lecture. All the best for your exam.